In today's video, I will teach you how to open a raw photo online using Photopea. Let's get started. First, open Photopea in your web browser. Photopea works best in Chrome, Firefox, and Microsoft Edge. Now we're going to open your raw file. Start by clicking File, then Open, then select your raw file from your computer. Alternatively, you can drag and drop the raw photo directly onto the Photopea workspace. Photopea supports several raw formats, including CR2, NEF, ARW, DNG, RAF, and more. So check your camera's manual to find out which raw format it uses. Now we're going to adjust the image settings. When you open a raw file, Photopea will display a raw image editor dialog, allowing you to make initial adjustments to your photo. Adjust the exposure slider to control the brightness of your image. Increase it for brighter photos, or decrease it for darker ones. Then use the contrast slider to enhance the difference between light and dark areas. A higher contrast will make the photo more dynamic, while lower contrast can give a softer look. Then adjust the highlights to control the brightest parts of the image and shadows for the darker areas. This helps recover details in overexposed or underexposed regions. Then use temperature to warm up or cool down the photo. Then adjust the tint to fix the green and magenta color shifts. And once you're satisfied with the adjustments, you can simply click OK. The photo will now open in the main editing workspace of Photopea, where you can continue refining it. And once you're finished it, you can continue to edit the raw photo using various tools in Photopea. To enhance the contrast and brightness further, you can use the curves and levels. Simply go to Image, Adjustments, then Curves or Levels. You can also add sharpening and noise reduction. To do this, simply go to Filter, then Sharpen. And for noise reduction, simply go to Filter, then Noise to fine-tune details and reduce unwanted noise. And you can also adjust the color balance by going to Image, Adjustments, then Color Balance, or Hue and Saturation. And once you have finished editing, you can simply click File, then Export As, then use your preferred file formats such as JPEG and PNG. Then adjust the quality, resolution, and file dimensions, then click Save to download the final version to your computer. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.